Alright, got the glove, got the glovey glove, got the love glove, oh yeah, and keys, oh yeah, beep, beep, I command you, come to life. Alright. Got everything. Okay. Hopefully I'll get out of here before the worst of the traffic is underway. And there we go. Alright, well I got 18 yards of this stuff. It's 0.5 millimeter thick. So it'll be enough to do probably about 100 bracelets. Okay. Dang, I can't believe how gorgeous a day it is. Oh yeah. Alrighty, well, since I'm newish here to the motovlogging world, I did have a previous YouTube channel a few years back where I started motovlogging with my Ninja 300, and there was other content on the channel that I didn't want to proceed forward with. I had some bass cover, music video things that kind of were borderline getting copyright strikes for some reason, even though it was under fair use. But we're going to fight it, not a big deal. And the other part of it was cannabis related, and trying to do not a family friendly channel here, but at least regular channel, and just going to concentrate on the motorcycle part of it. So anyways, when I started the channel, that's kind of basically my origin story. I started out here as Oregon on two wheels. I thought I was going to be just go out with a bike, traveling around Oregon to various spots, kind of almost travel log style. Take pictures and some videos along the way, and stop in at a restaurant and give a review on it, that type of thing. But marriage fell apart and money disappeared, so that kind of went by the wayside. And trying to dig myself out from all of that here. So in the process of me realizing that I'm not going to be able to get out like I thought I was going to be able to get out, might as well change the name of the channel. Plus there's Chase on two wheels, and a lot of on two wheels on YouTube motovloggers. So I thought, yeah, I'm going to get away from that. And so I thought, well, what name am I going to have? And I don't know, every time I'm riding around in traffic with, cagers and stuff, I literally feel like I'm a shark in a guppy tank. Just, if you've ever watched a shark in a fish tank in an aquarium, they're just cruising around, just calm as can be, slow. When they're hungry, they eat something. So that's kind of what I feel like on this bike. So I thought, well, shoot, it's a land shark. And, Land Shark 503. Okay, boom, new name, ta-da! So that's how I became Land Shark 503. And yeah, I waved. Hopefully be the only name change I will have had. I plan on keeping it. I kind of like the name. And like I said, I'm not an aggressive predator, but when I get hungry, fish will be eaten. And it's all good. I prefer pizza, but I will snack on the occasional mackerel. Alright, keep eyeballs open for people doing weird things. Plus, I'm kind of going in the opposite direction that most people end up going. Wait a second. Shoot. And turn around here. Took the wrong road. Okay. Should have turned elsewhere. Alright, now back in the right direction. Because I always, whenever I come down to this is like a, what they call it, Kaiser Transfer Transfer Station? Or Kaiser, I don't know. Anyways, it's just a big business park with a lot of the name brand, little outlet stores. And it's on the other diametrical side of the city that I'm on, and every time I come here, I take a different route. Because there's about 6 different ways to get here, not including if you go the back roads. So I just like changed up. Plus, you know, sometimes you kind of stir up a hornet's nest going in one direction. You don't want to necessarily get stung coming back. So you kind of alter your path around the stuff. It's not my fault. Alright, so there it is. That's the origin of the Landshark 503. And alright, another wave. And it's a name I plan on pretty much sticking with, so I'm not going to change it again. And as soon as I get my 1,000 subscribers or whatever it is, I'm going to get my, or is it however many, 100,000? I don't know. I'm going to get my custom URL and I'll be happy. Never going to monetize the channel. I hope I am the only motovlogger who ever reaches 1 million subs and never monetizes their channel. I just want to piss off YouTube and their AdSense money-making machine and make them store my videos for free. So if you're watching my stuff, turn on the ad blocker. Do it! Later.